Why the hell are they letting y'all sit in stores? Why? Why are y'all letting these sit in stores? Why? Tell me why.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Let's get into it.
YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. The weekend is here, so we work our behinds off Monday through Friday just for the weekend. At least I do. So I hope everybody has some plans. The summer's winding down, so I hope you guys all enjoy your weekend. The next few days are going to get very interesting. Before we get into those next few days, I do have a question. Why are y'all letting these sit in stores? Somebody please let me know. Comment down below and let me know why you did not pick these up. Because they have released the Del Sols, and you can watch that video up there. They released the Mamba Days, MPLS, and I think I said that acronym the right way, or abbreviation. I think I said it right, but whatever the Lakers old school name was, though that colorway. And then you had the closeouts. So you had 4 Protros to drop so far, and the Del Sol sold out. Mamba Days definitely sold out. Okay, MPLS's, they didn't sell out, and to be honest with you, I can't blame anyone for not buying them. Sometimes they look good, sometimes they don't, so whatever. And then the closeouts. They kept restocking those. So if they did initially sell out, they restocked them like 10 times. But these are hard. I don't know why you guys are not paying these any attention. I like them. These are the Kobe Protro 1 All-Stars. And the only thing I could think of as to why you guys may not want this shoe is because it's not the OG colorway. So if you did not pick this shoe up because it's not the OG colorway, and I think there's going to be a picture to show you the OG colorway pop up, I'm not mad at you. I'm a fan of OG colors. That's the main reason I still buy Jordans to this day. If you drop Jordans in the OG colorway, you're going to catch my eye, and the only thing I ask for is good quality, and I'm going to buy them. So, if you wanted the OGs, I totally understand, but me personally, I didn't want another pair of red, white, and blue sneakers. The United States of America hasn't been the most patriotic over the last several years, especially with that trash in office. Red, black, and white works for me. I really do like these. The color blocking is crazy, but again, it's not the OG colorway. Everywhere that you see black on this shoe, OG colorway had royal blue. So that's the difference between the Protro All-Stars and the OG All-Stars. The quality looks good. You got some tumble leather on this shoe. I'm a fan. Now, going to these next couple of days, Kobe is really a legend. And it's crazy because when he was a rookie, up until I want to say his 3rd season in the league, I was probably one of the biggest Kobe fans ever. It was him and AI for me, and then it was just all AI for me. I stopped being a Kobe fan. But as he matured and as he got older, definitely had respect for him. In 06 or 07, might have been 08, like right after he caught that rape charge, he went crazy. I think that season he averaged like 35 points a game. So I am definitely a Kobe fan. I appreciate everything he did for the game. But the reason he's a legend outside of being just probably the 2nd best 2-guard of all time, he has 2 holidays. He has Mamba Day, which is on my mom's birthday, April 13th, which is the day that he retired. And then he has Kobe Day. So his birthday is August 23rd. And it's crazy because his birthday is literally a day before his jersey numbers. 8, 24, get it? So Kobe Day is coming. And the main reason I wanted to make sure I got this video up today, which is Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure whenever it's going to load, my internet sucks, is because I'm about to go on vacation. And where I'm going, I don't know if they like have a Nike store, and I don't know the chances of my internet being booming overseas, so I don't know whatever they drop. And that's the thing. On Kobe Day, August 23rd, expect some heat. Expect it. And I don't know if I'm gonna be fortunate enough to get whatever they drop. I'm looking forward to it, but make sure you stay tuned. Whatever social media you follow or whatever website you may follow, August 23rd, maybe the 24th, there will be some heat dropping. That's at least my prediction. You have an all black box, all black. Everything's black for the Black Mamba. All the swooshes, Kobe logo, Kobe signature, all black. So Kobe 1 Protro, 8.5, true to size, white, black, varsity red, and then retail of $175. Now, that retail of $175, being that these shoes are sitting, you may be able to pay less than that depending on how long they sit. Now, just because a shoe sits does not mean the shoe is trash. It does not mean that. That just means that there just wasn't a lot of hype behind it. And personally, I think with this shoe, people are sleeping because it's a dope shoe. Yeezys sell out all the time, and all Adidas Yeezys are trash. So, again, just because the shoe sits does not mean it's trash, and just because they sell out don't mean they're fire. Now, I'm very impressed with the shoe. The Del soles that I covered, it had a mixture of materials between leather, suede. This shoe, the whole upper is leather, and it's some good leather. So you have tumbled leather covering a majority of the upper. This entire white piece is tumbled. That is some supple leather.
Supple leather, you know? You ever rub your leather? You know, like just rub it, see how good it feels?
Now, aside from the tumbled leather on the toe, that makes its way all the way back to the heel, you have some more leather on the toe itself. Now, that leather is a little bit different, and then you can see that it has like that, if this camera could focus, it has like lines going through it. It gives like cracks. Like that's the impression that it gives off. And then of course, there goes some bad Nike quality right there. Quality control, thanks. But it has like the cracks, and it just gives a nice detailed look to the toe. And then as you make your way to the back, same thing. It gives that crack feel of like cracked cement, which I do like. Now again, anything that you see in black, the OGs it's in blue. I prefer the black. Now this swoosh is not leather, or at least it doesn't feel like it. I'm not sure what this material is, but it is pretty stiff. As you get to your back, it says up-tempo on your heel. Instead of having a loop to put your shoe on, you can actually just put your whole thumb through here, which is cool. And then you have that same material on that swoosh again coming to the lateral side. Lace loop on the on your midfoot with the Nike swoosh, and then you got your rope laces. I do like the rope laces. You have a star here, then you have your Kobe logo at the top. Now this tongue does have a variety of different materials. It has mesh, and then you have leather, some synthetic leather. This tab here is synthetic leather as well, and then some more synthetic leather at the top of the tongue. Very nice detail on the laces. This is like aluminum, and then it has the cutouts of the Nike swoosh. Pretty good detail. No complaints out of me. On your midsole, you have the red molding piece. You have that carbon plate that wraps all the way around. And then you have this material that I do hate. This material is very hard to keep clean. It is what it is. It's hard to keep clean. You have another Kobe logo at the back here, but I like it. Then you get to your rubber outsole. Rubber outsole is black, red, and white, and it says Zoom Air at the bottom of the heel. But if you go back and watch that Del Sol video, I covered the entire shoe, which I'm kind of covering now, but I did not mention it had full length zoom. So it definitely does. That's one of the upgrades that you do get with the Protro. And then you can see that swoosh has a cutout and it shows that carbon plate again. On the inside of the shoe, you have the mesh around your collar, and then you have your insole. Now the insole literally lists all the All-Star games that Kobe would have participated in at this time of his career. It starts off in New York, where he was the youngest rookie of all time, and then it ends at Houston. And there's one more piece of detail on your tongue, All-Star 2006. And that's on the back of both of the tongues. What do y'all think about the Kobe 1 Protro All-Stars? If you enjoyed the video, please, I really just want y'all to subscribe. Again, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Sooner I get there, the sooner I can get you guys a giveaway.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Clothes painted on you, kinda close, yeah. You know you the jelly to my butter roll. I could be your moonshine all around your globe. Girl, you got my heart chain like Django. Be my Nia Long, Love Jones, I'm Lorenzo. Be your morphine, make your pain go. Cigarillo full of gas, make the plane go. Southwest Delta, me and you unite, yeah. You my Eve, you my prime rib. Skipping through your garden, jungle is my climate. Bite the apple if I find it. No strings like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Mayweather, jab, left, right. Sticky if you're nasty. High five, waistline, ass cheek. Slow grind, slip, glide.
You ain't gotta lie in front of me. Shout out to the women that get how you wanna leave. I won't get in your way and being free. I don't have a gavel, you can fuck me in the team. I'ma keep it GC 103. You're looking for something special, you just stop looking at me. Just answer when I call. I got 99 problems, but with you I'm unbothered.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Make your pain go. Make your pain go.
Look, the day I met her, she doused in black leather. Drooling from her mouth as if a bow had never fed her. Boiling polar caps in ice age kinda weather. Dig, I like a bitch who give me a dose of my own medicine. Toxic, mind-blowing, but devilish. Zeke say Mona Lisa, but me say Nola darling. You got a harem of niggas, I'm talking about double parking. Whatever you do, I got it. If not, then I can acquire Xanax to Oxycontin, you can lean on me.